Yeah, that's what's going on. I had the hiccups just now. Where'd they go? Damn, not a hiccup video. Well, I guess this is just a video. It's just a YouTube video. I've got some shirts. This one is my bananas shirt. This classic one here. I'm too old for this shit. My bag of unicorn marshmallow rainbow poop. Marshmallow rainbow poop. The unicorn. Yeah. I'm kind of a girl. Or a gay wad, or whatever you want to call it. That's what I am. And I totally let someone else reproduce with my wife, Lauren Rife. That's me.